Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays this kind of images are going viral. This type of Radha Rani look is trending nowadays. You can see that all these images are very beautiful and you can also create this type of images on your devices. So let's see how you can create this kind of images. So what you need to do is first you have to go to Google Play Store and you need to install Gemini AI. After that, click on install option. If it is installed, then you need to simply open it. After you open it, here you need to click on create image option. You can see, then click on the plus icon over here, then go to the gallery, and from here you need to select the image. After that, you have to enter the prompt. After entering the prompt, you need to wait for some time, and here you can see that the image will be created. So you just have to wait for a few minutes, and here is the image. You can see it's the Radha Rani look. You simply need to download. So click on the image icon, then click on download option over here, and the image will be downloaded on your devices. The same thing you can use for other look by changing the prompt over here. So you can edit this image. Now after pasting another prompt, you need to wait for a few seconds, and then you can see that the image will be created in a beautiful look. So just have a look at the image. So here is the image, you can see it. So you can also create this kind of images. The prompts I have already provided in the description. Just go through them and create your beautiful images in a Radha Rani look. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.